Hello, my loves. Welcome back to Lavendaire. Today, I'm excited to guide you on a calm and relaxing year-end reflection session. So we're going to do a short little guided meditation, probably about 10 minutes, and then we have some guided journaling. So I have 5 prompts prepared for you to help you reflect on 2024. And this whole session is meant to just calm and ground us and help us kind of like clear out and purify the energy so that we are ready to receive all the blessings and all the abundance and opportunities that the new year can bring. If you're new here, this video is a part of our Transform Your Life series, a series of videos that I'm posting every week until the end of January to help us transform our lives in all the areas for 2025. So if you want to watch more of the series, I'll leave the link here and down below. All right, let's begin the meditation. So all you need to do is find a comfortable seated position. You could be sitting on a chair or with your legs crossed, and have your hands resting on your lap with your palms facing up like this. So close your eyes, and we're gonna take some deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, slowly and deeply. Breathe in through your nose, fill up your belly. Exhale and let it all out. Do that 2 more times, in through the nose and out through your mouth. One last time. You can continue breathing deeply until you feel like your body has relaxed. If you feel relaxed, you can return to breathing in and out through your nose. With each breath, become aware of how that breath feels as it enters your body, filling up your lungs, and then how it feels to release that breath, release and exhale all of that air. Just pay attention to how your body feels breathing in and out. Now with each breath in, imagine a white, bright energy surrounding you. And you're breathing in this beautiful energy. And with every exhale, you're letting go of anything that is negative, dark, or stuck in you. Just letting go of anything that's not serving you, whether it's worry or stress, negative self-beliefs. With each breath in, you're purifying your energy with this white, bright and beautiful light. And with every exhale, you're letting everything else go, just cleansing your energy. clearing out anything that is not you, that is not serving you. Now bring your awareness to your heart and feel your heartbeat. Feel your pulse through your body. This is your life force. So find gratitude in this heart and your life force that continues to beat, continues to support you, to keep you alive, and to help you thrive in life. Tune into your heart and your heart's desire. What is it that you truly desire for yourself and for your life? Just take a deep breath and feel what comes up. After you've listened to what your heart has to say, with each breath in, honor your heart's desire. Give your heart the beautiful energy and support it needs to fulfill these desires. Sometimes that's as simple as inviting and breathing in that sense of belief, that sense of positivity and support, that sense of awareness that you are here, that you are listening. So with each breath, fill up your lungs and give to your heart. Give it whatever energy you need. Perhaps it's the energy of love that you are breathing in and receiving. So breathe in love, breathe in positive energy, breathe in all the beautiful energy around you. And as you exhale, just trust that you always have what you need within you. Your heart is always guiding you. It's always speaking to you. All you have to do is get quiet and listen. Now, as we begin to reflect and wrap up our year, it is time to be grateful for everything that this year has brought you, everything that this year helped you learn, helped you experience. find gratitude for everything that happened and for who you have become. Feel proud for who you have become and for all the lessons you've learned. Now breathe in a deep breath and exhale. Just feel that peace and clarity. In this calm state, you are now open to receive all the beautiful energy and opportunities that the new year has in store for you. Stay open and stay trusting. With each breath, let go and trust. Trust that it's all coming to you in exactly the way it's meant to. Breathe calmly, knowing that all good things are coming, that there's a beautiful future ahead for you, that your story has yet to be written. It continues. You are a beautiful work in progress, a beautiful work of art, and you are here in this moment, in the middle of it, experiencing it as it's happening. Breathe in with gratitude. And exhale with trust. Blink open your eyes. Feel how your energy has shifted and what it feels like in your body now. Feel the gratitude, love, and positivity that you cultivated in your energy in this meditation. And now we are ready to reflect on the year and invite a beautiful new year. I hope you enjoyed that meditation session. Now it's time for the reflection. So get out your journals, notebooks. You can use the Artist of Life workbook, or you can use any notebook or doc that you have. There are 5 prompts today. The first prompt is 2024 was the year that I ... So this is where you just write everything that this year was about, all of your highlights, accomplishments, all of the moments that you want to remember this year by, like what made this year so fun or meaningful, what were your favorite moments from this year. That's what you would write here. If you answer that prompt, let me know down below, what is your one thing that you are most proud of in 2024? Prompt number 2, what worked and what didn't work? So this is your opportunity to reflect on what worked, like what were your successes, what could you repeat to find more success, and then what didn't work. So what were the mistakes or the failures that you made, and what can you learn from them? Prompt number 3, what did I learn in 2024? So what did this year teach you? These could be big things like big life lessons, or they could be small things like, oh, I rearranged my routine, or it could be even like new skills that you picked up. Like what were the things that you learned? Number 4, how did my life evolve? So if you were to look back at your life and yourself 1 year ago, how are you different now? What has changed? How did you evolve this year? And finally, number 5, what will I leave in 2024? So what will you choose to release and let go so that you're not bringing it with you to the new year? So what are you going to leave in 2024? So these could be like bad habits, overthinking, thought patterns, just anything that is not serving you that you don't want to bring with you to the new year. It could be characteristics or it could be like physical things, right? Do you need to declutter and let some things go so that you can start fresh with a new chapter? What is it? That concludes our year-end reflection session. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have not yet planned for 2025, then I recommend you do it now, because the perfect time to plan your new year is after you reflect on the previous year. So I have a video that I already posted. I'll link it here and down below to help you plan your goals for 2025. All right, sending you so much love. Don't forget to check out more videos in this series, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.